In this question, it is told to us that let S denote the set of complex numbers satisfying this condition and this condition, and this attains its minimum and maximum value respectively at Z1 belong to S and Z2 belong to S. If this condition is true, where alpha and beta are integers, then the value of alpha plus beta is equal to dash. First of all, let us find the complex numbers of the set S, that is complex numbers satisfying both these conditions. The first inequation represents a circle and its interior with center 20 and radius 1. That is, if I draw the diagram, this will be the set of all the points and its interior also, which will satisfy this inequation. That is, I can say this inequation represents a disk. Had it be equal to 1, it would have represented a ring, but presently it has represented a disk with center 20 and radius 1. And to draw the diagram of this, you must know that general equation of straight line in complex number is in the form of a z bar plus a bar z plus b equal 0, where minus a upon a bar is complex slope of the line. Remember this thing. And in this case, b is a real number. Note it. And if you want to draw this line, to find the point where the line cuts x-axis, or you can say real axis, write z for z bar, and the value of z you will be getting will be the point where the line cuts x-axis, or you can say real axis. To find the point where the line cuts y-axis, for write minus z for z bar, and the value of z you will be getting will be the point where the line cuts y-axis, or you can say imaginary axis. I'm going to use this concept in this question. First, I write this inequation in the form of equation, that is z into 1 plus I plus z bar into 1 minus I equal to 2. To draw this line, first we write z for z bar and calculate the value of z. I'll be getting z into 1 plus iota plus z into 1 minus iota equal to 2. That is 2z equal to 2. That is z equal to 1. That is, this is the point where the line cuts x-axis. And to find the point where the line cuts y-axis, write minus z for z bar. You will be getting z into 1 plus I minus z into equal to 2. That is, I get 2I z equal to 2. That is z equal to minus I. That is minus I somewhere here. Hence we have got this line. And because the given is a inequation, therefore shading will also be there. To check shading will be on this side or on this side, take the help of origin. Origin clearly satisfies this. Therefore shading will be on this side. And clearly the first inequation was representing a circle with center 20 and radius 1. 20 is somewhere here, and because radius is 1, therefore the circle will be of this type. And because this was representing a disk, hence all the required complex numbers will be lying inside this circle. That is, I can say this inequation represent all these points, and clearly this is the common set of points which will satisfy both these inequations. And now I have to find the value of z1 and z2, where z1 is the complex number for which this is minimum and z2 is a complex number for which this is maximum. Clearly this represents the distance of z from 4 iota. 4 iota is somewhere here. Out of all these points, clearly the point which will be at minimum distance from 4i, for that join this with center of circle, and this point will be at minimum distance from 4i. Obviously the maximum distance from 4 iota will be this complex number or this complex number. It is clear that the slope of this 4 minus 0 upon 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. It is clear that if this is theta, then tan theta will be minus 2. Clearly from here I can easily say that the value of sin theta will be 2 by root 5 and the value of cos theta will be minus 1 by root 5. Note that theta lies between 0 and pi. Now putting the value of cos theta sin theta here, let us name this point as A. I can say A equal to 2 minus 1 by root 5 and y coordinate as 2 by root 5. And let us name this point as B, C, D, E, F, and out of all these points, the point at maximum distance from F will be either D or B. Let us find the distance of B and D from F. It is clear that BD is under root 1 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, that is under root 17. Now to find the distance FD, I require the coordinate of the point D. Now to find the point D, I require the equation of the line BE. The equation of the line BE using the point B is y minus 0 equal to 0 minus minus 1 upon 1 minus 0 into x minus 1. That is, I get y equal to x minus 1. Clearly this is a circle with center 2, 0 and radius 1. Hence the equation of circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 1. And now to find the point D, I solve these two equations simultaneously. I get x minus 2 whole square plus equal to 1. That is, I get 2x square minus 6x plus 4 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. That is, I get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. clearly the roots of this are x equal to 1 and 2. 1 is the x coordinate of this, hence 2 must be x coordinate of this. Therefore, this point becomes 2. And using this equation of line, I get the y coordinate as 1. And now I have to check that whether B is at farther distance or D is at farther distance from F. Whichever is at farther distance from F, that will be named as Z2. Now clearly BF is equal to under root 1 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, that is under root 17. And similarly DF will be under root 2 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to under root 4 plus 9, that is root 13. And because BF is bigger, hence I can say Z2 is at the point B. Therefore, I have got the value of Z2 as 1, and the coordinate of A I already had found. 2 plus 1 cos theta, comma 1 sin theta, and sin theta and cos theta are given here. Therefore, Z1 becomes 2 plus 1 into minus 1 by root 5 plus I into 2 by root 5. And now let us find the value of this. 5 into mod of Z1. Z1 means the x coordinate this and y coordinate this. 2 minus 1 by root 5 square plus 2 by root 5 square plus 1 square plus 0 square. That is, I get 5 into 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 4 by root 5 plus 4 by 5 plus 1, that is, I get 5 into 6 minus 4 by root 5, that is equal to 30 minus 4 root 5. And comparing with right hand side, I can say alpha equal to 30 and beta equal to minus 4. Hence the value of alpha plus beta becomes 26. Therefore answer is 26.